Anand Ranganathan, nobody in the Congress.
One fact I would like. Ishrat Jahan case, why the file was missing?
Why did you say BRP PTA?
RVS money had mentioned when our government came.
You believe RVS money but not RK Singh?
पूरी बात तो सुनिए, वही तो मैं कहना चाह रहा हूं सर. RVS money said that from deputy secretary to secretary, everybody has written that there is no connection that Ishrat Jahan is innocent. She is terrorist. And IB chief of your government was saying she is terrorist. CBI in its affidavit said she is terrorist. Suddenly CBI took U-turn. But IB remained same. And he said that the Chidambaram himself has changed the note. And when our government came, we also filed, the file was missing. अब यह सवाल उठता है, दुनिया के इतिहास का इकलौता उदाहरण है, when the two agencies of the same government was against. IB of UPA government was saying
आप उनके साथ गठबंधन में
first saying it's a terrorist, then जैसे ही पता चला ओह मोदी जी को मारने जा रहे हैं, अरे she has become innocent. सर आपने नेशनल सिक्योरिटी के साथ जो किया है, that is shameful, unpardonable and precarious, which has been done.
Don't digress from the main issue. Let me ask Anand Ranganathan. Anand Ranganathan, Tehseen Poonawalla just now was outraged that when the case against the Bombay blast accused fell, the BJP did not shed any tears. In the same breath, the Congress party has a problem with the case of the Malegaon blast falling down. And Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, you heard her in parliament. Hindu शब्द से इन्हें एलर्जी है क्या? हिंदू टेरर बोलने में इनको कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, लेकिन हिंदू विक्टिम बोलने में बहुत प्रॉब्लम है. Why? What does this demonstrate?
I'll tell you what it demonstrates. Good evening, Navika. There are two deaths on which the Congress will dance on. One is the economy and the other is Hinduism. And I don't mean that they are going to dance on the death of Hinduism. They perceive Hinduism not as a philosophy or a way of life or something indigenous that has illuminated the world in India. They see it as a political outfit. तभी ये उसको सोच नहीं समझते हैं. वो ये कहते हैं एक पॉलिटिकल आउटफिट है हिंदुइज्म, तो इसको खत्म होना पड़ेगा. ये इनकी सोच है. मैं आपको कब से बता रहा हूं, पहले भी कह चुका हूं, नाविका, दिस कंट्री, द इश्यूज दिस कंट्री फेसेस, व्हेन आई टॉक अबाउट द डिस्क्रिमिनेशन हिंदूज फेस और व्हाटएवर इट मे बी, इट हैज गॉट नथिंग टू डू विद रिलीजन. इट इज नथिंग टू डू विद हिंदू मुस्लिम. पठान साहब यहां पे हैं, पाशा साहब यहां पे है. मैं इनको मुस्लिम्स मानता ही नहीं, मैं इनको इंडियन मानता हूं. मेरे भाई ये सच है. ये भले जो भी माने, मैं अपनी बात बता रहा हूं. अगर मुझे सेवैयां चाहिए होती है वो पठान साहब के घर से आती है. पठान साहब का जो विग है ये तिरुपति के हिंदूज ने जो वहां पे बाल कटाए उनसे आया. ओरिजिनल कोई डिस्टिंक्शन नहीं है. कोई डिस्टिंक्शन. हाँ, पठान साहब हिला हिला के देख ओरिजिनल है. लेकिन मैं देखिए कोई सब्सटेंटिव मैं डिस्कशन इसका आउटकम लाना चाहता हूं, इसलिए मैं इससे पहले कि आए आई नीड 30 सेकेंड्स. सुधांशु जी हैं, ही इज रिप्रेजेंटेटिव ऑफ बीजेपी. मैं इनसे एक प्रॉमिस चाहता हूं. सुधांशु जी, अगर हम आज हैं ना, एक्चुअली अगर हम हैं, आपकी बात नहीं कर रहा, हम देश है, वो इज बिकॉज ऑफ वन पर्सन, सब इंस्पेक्टर तुकाराम ओम्बले. मैं आपसे प्रॉमिस चाहता हूं कि एटलीस्ट द अपकमिंग एयरपोर्ट एट मुंबई शुड बी नेम्ड आफ्टर हिम. एटलीस्ट विल यू प्रॉमिस दैट यू विल स्ट्राइव फॉर दैट एटलीस्ट?
I am not anybody to decide those.
You are,
but
at least you will take that campaign.
अगर तुकाराम ओम्बले ने अपनी सीने पर दर्जनों
गोलियां
तो सारे टेररिस्ट
पूरा
हिंदू हाई कार्ड के साथ थे, सबने कलावे बांध रखे थे और किताब तैयार थी 2611 इन आरएसएस कॉन्स्पिरेसी. सोचिए कितना बड़ा
आपके मेंबरान, आपके रिस्पेक्टेड मेंबरान रिलीज कर रहे थे.
जब अंतरात्मा जागी तब उनको समझ में आया.
No, don't digress.
Am I digressing? He went.
I have now. If I can just finish this, I can finish the argument. Navika, you look at the plan and you look at what I said at the starting. They want to destroy Hinduism because they somehow do not perceive it as a philosophy. आप देखिए 2004 नवंबर में कौन अरेस्ट और जेल हुआ? Someone equivalent to the Pope. शंकराचार्य कांची के. और वो एक्विट जेल में गए, उन्होंने पता नहीं कितने साल गुजारे जेल में, उसके बाद 10 साल बाद एक्विट हुए. वो इतनी बर्बरता से दे एक्ट अगेंस्ट सैफरन टेरर। आपने पूरा बताया, चिदम्बरम ने बोला पूरा। यहां पे आप देखिए इंस्पेक्टर कह रहे हैं मुझसे ये कहा गया था। दिस काइंड ऑफ थिंग डज नॉट हैपन अगेंस्ट सीयर्स एंड पीपल हु बिलोंग टू एनी अदर रिलीजन। Why does Tehseen has to answer this? Yes, I have raised this objection about Kripa Shankar and Mr. Singh more than you have, Tehseen, you know it. But you have to answer this. Why this visceral hatred against only a particular religion? Why?
And then that is called secularism.
Yeah.
That is what I have a problem with. Secularism can't be the domain of those who have all their lives tried to eradicate Sanatan, eradicate Hinduism, and that is the end game that you're going towards. And Waris Pathan, I want to ask you, आप तो मुंबई के रहने वाले हैं. I want to ask you that such a big saffron terror bogey was happening, till it suited you, you went along with it, you played along with it. But today you have questions. Today you are asking for parity with the Bombay blast. Why did you not question this entire theory so far? Because it was on flimsy grounds. Mohan Bhagwat ji being asked to be put in jail, and what about the two others? There are other people who have accused in this case who have not been found, whether it is Kalsangra, whether it is Sandeep Dange. Kya ho gaya? Custodial death, their death, you don't want to know how did it happen?
Well, Navika, to begin with, let me tell you, terrorist is a terrorist, terrorism is terrorism. Terrorist and terrorism don't have any religion. So giving these examples like saffron terror, Hindu terror or Islamic terror is, according to me, not proper. The intention of the terrorist is to ensure that he fulfills his agenda by
Okay, how many times have you opposed against the term Hindu terror or a saffron terror?
Any kind
मुझे
of
कोई
terrorist-
soundbite दिखा दीजिए.
any kind of
अपनी
terrorist
और ओवैसी
activities-
की कोई
पहलगाम
soundbite
पे हुआ
दिखा
asking the
दीजिए.
religion-
एक बार बता दीजिए आपने object
See, I
किया
was
हो.
listening
If
patiently.
terrorism is no religion,
We
why
have-
were they asking to read Kalma?
We have
in
always been
Pahalgam?
saying that
Please don't obfuscate the
we
issue.
condemn all kind of terrorists, we condemn all kind of terrorism activities, and coining such kind of things that Hindus cannot be terrorists or a Muslim can be a terrorist or Muslim cannot be terrorist. There are examples. Nathuram Godse, the killer of father of the
जिन
nation,
लोगों ने
Mahatma
कलमा
Gandhi,
पढ़ा उनको
was the
स्पेयर
first
कर दिया
terrorist of the
गया.
country.
And he's saying terrorism is no
जब मैं ही
religion.
बोलता हूँ सब बोलने लग जाते हैं.
लोगों की पैंट पीछे कर
आनंद
करके
जी,
पता लगाया गया है.
वो
You are saying
गलत है. हमने
तो है
condemn
ना,
किया.
इसका मतलब
हमने
terrorism has a
condemn
religion.
किया. हमने
Just be honest
जिसको
about
इंदिरा
it.
गांधी ने मार दिया वो कौन
Just be
लोग थे?
honest about it.
इंदिरा गांधी के कातिल कौन थे? नक्सलाइट्स का कौन सा धर्म है? बताओ. इंदिरा गांधी के बाद में जो दंगा हुआ यहाँ पर जिसको मारा गया, क्यों, कौन थे वो लोग? Then there will be a lot of things will be uncovered.
अच्छा, just because you don't want to talk
terrorism does not have any religion.
Just because you don't want to talk about any other issue. You will.
Godse, the killer of father of the nation.
अब ये देखिए, Godse तक पहुंच गए.
What do you call him?
It is so
first terrorist
predictable.
of the country. What you will call him?
26/11 पे
30 जनवरी 48 को है, 27 अक्टूबर 47 को जो कबायली आए वो आतंकवादी नहीं थे. सद्दाम हुसैन सोहरावर्दी जो कलकत्ता में मरवा रहे थे लोगों को वो आतंकवादी नहीं था. केरल में मुस्लिम लीग वाले मरवा रहे थे वो आतंकवादी था. और जिन्होंने कॉल दिया डायरेक्ट एक्शन जेनोसाइड करो वो आतंकवाद नहीं था.
कंडेमनेशन हमने किया. पहलगाम में जिन्होंने आके आतंकवाद बचाया, धर्म के नाम पर बेगुनाह बेकसूर लोगों को मारा, सबसे पहला हमने कंडेम किया था कि उनको गंदी से
I appreciate you condemning.
बुरी से बुरी सजा
But
मिलनी
why are you
चाहिए.
saying terrorism
We were
is
the
no
person who
religion?
asked for the
I
death
appreciate.
penalty. Yes, we said that.
Then why are you saying terrorism is no religion? That's the objection.
But then you say that Hemant Karkare, you are
बताइए.
insulting Hemant Karkare because Sadhvi Pragya said that the person who got martyred in 26/11, just now you were saying that Tukaram Ambale के नाम के ऊपर वो
Yes,
रखना चाहिए.
yes.
That very fateful night, this officer Hemant Karkare was martyred by these terrorists. And now you're insulting it. Sadhvi Pragya Singh Thakur, the main accused in the Malegaon blast case, said, मैंने
अब
उनको
क्या-
शराब दिया था.
अब वो है main
condemn
accused.
that. You were,
We condemn that as well, but Sudhanshu, but Sudhanshu Trivedi,
Rohini Salian in an affidavit in 2015
court को believe नहीं करना.
I was pressurized by NIA.
Court को believe नहीं करना.
The case.
Now, you know,
third
this
thing
is
is, Anand, you
this
believe
is
the
contempt of
constitution.
court.
I feel you believe the
This is-
constitution.
you are a lawyer.
Pradeep, ये तो constitution.
You are a lawyer and you are
He's
in
a lawyer.
contempt of court.
That's why I say
You are believing
constitution
somebody
talks about
whose
equality.
affidavit has been ignored by the court.
In the Mumbai train blast case, they went with lightning speed before the Honorable Supreme Court and filed an appeal because the people who were acquitted were Muslims, incarcerated in jail for 18 years without evidence. Now when 6 people died, who killed them? The question should we be debating could have been that who who killed them. So we are debating, Chidambaram ने ये बोला, उसने ये बोला, अरे पहले ये मालूम करो, पहले अपील में जाएंगे कि नहीं, against the 7 people who have been acquitted.
lawyer को तो सुन ले
Whether the
कम से
law will be equal to them or no. Whether appeal filed in the earlier case and today the appeal is different for
all right,
people.
Sudhanshu
That's why I say they want to divide
He
the
is
country in the
worried.
name of religion.
He is worried and
Please follow the
rightly
law.
so. He
Yes.